What's something people don't know about their Apple devices? Hi, I'm Maria, and welcome to MindWave. Here, we don't just talk about tech, we decode it. From AI shortcuts to automation hacks, my mission is to help you understand the how, what, and why behind the systems shaping your digital life. As a lead systems analyst with a background in tech entrepreneurship, I've spent years digging deep into Apple's iOS and automation layers, not just to use them, but to expose what's working for you and what's quietly working on you. And today, we're unlocking one of the biggest mysteries most iPhone and Apple users don't even know exists. Ever copy a password on your Mac and paste it on your iPhone? That magic is powered by hidden connections. Understanding them is the first step to taking back control. We'll look at settings, turn things off, and see what actually happens. Apple's ecosystem is more than a buzzword, it's a seamless experience. Own an iPhone, your Mac and watch just work together. Photos, messages, AirPods, everything syncs instantly. But this convenience comes at a cost. Less control and transparency. Understanding the shift is crucial for your privacy and autonomy. Let's talk about Handoff, one of Apple's most magical yet unnerving features. Start an email on your iPhone, finish it on your Mac. That's Handoff. It works with Apple apps like Safari, Mail, and Maps, letting you pass tasks between devices. Behind the scenes, your devices use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to broadcast their activity and transfer data. Universal Clipboard is even subtler. Copy text or images on your Mac, paste them on your iPhone. No buttons, no prompts. It just works using the same tech as Handoff. Copy something and your device broadcasts it. Another device nearby can request it. The convenience is obvious. Copy a password on your Mac, paste it on your iPhone. But your clipboard, which may contain sensitive info, is wirelessly transmitted between devices. Apple says it's encrypted, but the automatic sharing can be unsettling if you want device separation. These features are designed for seamlessness, not for granular privacy. Knowing how they work is the first step to controlling what's shared. If Handoff is the magic trick, iCloud is the invisible engine. iCloud syncs contacts, calendars, reminders, bookmarks, passwords, and more across all your devices. Make a change on one device, and it's instantly pushed to the rest. The goal: always have the latest version of your data, no matter the device. Apple offers toggles in iCloud settings to turn off syncing for specific apps, but these can be confusing. Turning off iCloud Photos, for example, doesn't delete photos. It just stops new ones from syncing. Some data, like Safari history, may still sync if tied to broader settings. Users often feel a loss of control, wanting some things to sync, but not others. Granular controls exist, but they're buried, and interactions aren't always clear. Apple's system is all or nothing by design, encouraging you to sync everything. Deviating from that path requires a deep dive into settings most users never explore. There's a setting called Share Across Devices, buried in features like screen time, focus, and accessibility. It's designed to keep your experience seamless. Set a focus mode on your iPhone, and your iPad and Mac will mirror it. But here's the catch. This setting is persistent. Many users find that even after turning off share across devices, it sometimes turns itself back on, especially after updates. A software update can quietly reset it to on, often without warning. Apple's default is always full integration, assuming you want everything connected. Turning off share across devices is treated as an exception, not the norm. After an update or reboot, the software may revert to its preferred state. This is frustrating if you want your Mac for work and your iPad for personal use. To keep your devices separate, you have to keep checking this setting. In Apple's automated world, off doesn't always mean off forever. Ever feel like you turned something off only to find it mysteriously back on? You disable Bluetooth or Handoff, but after an update or reboot, they're back, like you never touched them. That's because software updates often reset system-level settings to Apple's preferred defaults. Even a simple reboot or minor update can trigger this reset. Sometimes the system decides a service is essential and quietly re-enables it for you. This erodes trust. How can you rely on your privacy settings if they change without warning? It forces users into a cycle of constant vigilance, rechecking settings after every update. The end result, your devices are more interconnected than you think, not by accident, but by design. Now, let's get hands-on. It's time for your own tech audit. Grab your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. We're going to check how connected they really are. First, audit your iCloud settings. Media group, over-the-shoulder shot of iPhone displaying settings. On iPhone, iPad, go to settings. Your name. iCloud. Review which apps are syncing. Safari, contacts, calendars, iCloud Drive, keychain. Toggle off anything you don't want shared. On your Mac, go to System Settings. Apple ID, iCloud, and repeat. Next, hunt down Handoff on iPhone, iPad, Settings, General, AirPlay, and Handoff. On Mac, System Settings, General, AirDrop, and Handoff. Turn off Handoff if you want to stop passing activities and Clipboard content. Make a note of what you've disabled. Now, the reboot tests, fully restart all devices. After reboot, check if your change is stuck. Did Handoff stay off? Did iCloud Drive remain disabled? This reveals whether your settings are persistent or if the system reverts them. This audit is your first step toward conscious control. Repeat this process after every major update. Stay curious. Your vigilance is your best defense. Take charge of your digital privacy. Sometimes tweaking settings isn't enough, especially if you need strict separation between work and personal devices. The nuclear option uses separate Apple IDs for different devices or purposes. Your Apple ID is the master key. By creating a second ID, you sever the automatic syncing between devices. Handoff, Universal Clipboard, and iCloud syncing simply won't work between them. It's a clean break, but comes with headaches. Purchases are tied to your Apple ID, so you may need to rebuy apps or use clumsy workarounds like family sharing. You lose ecosystem conveniences, no easy access to personal photos on your work Mac, for example. This option is for those who prioritize compartmentalization above all else. It's ideal for freelancers or privacy-conscious users who need strict boundaries. Weigh the benefits of total separation against lost convenience. It's a powerful but blunt tool for enforcing digital boundaries. After your tech audit, you're part of a growing community looking closer at how technology works. But the investigation doesn't end here. System behavior can change with every update. Join a crowdsourced experiment, document your starting point, software version, settings you disabled. Use your devices as normal. Did a feature you turned off come back? Did Clipboard content appear unexpectedly? Share your findings in comments on social media with iCloud Audit or in tech forums. Describe what you did, what you expected, and what actually happened. Example, I disabled Handoff on iOS 18.1. After the 18.1.1 update, it was back on. Pooling observations helps identify patterns and holds companies accountable. This collective knowledge empowers everyone. It helps users know what to watch for and pressures companies to be more transparent. Your small experiment contributes to a larger understanding. Help us all become more savvy digital citizens. Conduct your audit and share what you discover. Our journey through Apple's ecosystem reveals a truth. Convenience and control are often at odds. Automation makes devices feel magical, but it can quietly erode our ability to make conscious choices. The iCloud trap isn't evil. It's the result of prioritizing seamless experience. For many, the trade-offs are worth it, but awareness is key. Don't reject the tech. Approach it with curiosity and vigilance. Audit your settings, especially after updates. Ask questions when devices behave unexpectedly. Share what you learn with others. These principles apply beyond Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft. All use similar automation. Understanding one ecosystem helps you understand them all. Stay vigilant. Stay curious. Don't let the magic lull you into passivity. Your devices work for you, not the other way around. By understanding the invisible wires, you choose how to live in an automated world. Stay awake, stay in control, and be the master of your digital domain. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share it with your friends to help others stay informed about iCloud and device privacy. Your support helps us create more content like this. Stay tuned for more tech insights.